So I have to like write them as I go?
You have to guess, yeah. Here's your options.
Oh, you're telling them what they are?
Let's see that straw.
Okay. To pick from the 5 of them.
Oh, look.
You're not doing it, Mom?
Hell no. I'm sitting here trying not to.
Do you have your own ballot, Dad? Oh, okay, that's a
Oh,
lot.
okay.
Oh, Dad.
I literally blew my nose and like drank
Oh,
water.
no. Uh-oh. That looks like a...
Well, you're cheating when you can see the color. Like your heart.
No.
No.
Here's straws if you don't know one.
Legitimately
drink it.
Aren't you girls gonna do it?
Yeah.
Here, Scott, you're next. After me.
Just gotta make sure you don't lean on the, don't lean on the cardboard.
Just show them how to stick their straw down in there so they don't have to.
Son,
do
you
that.
doing it?
And
Come
then
on, Bear.
Pull it up.
You gotta do it too.
Yes, Sky, go.
No, I know, I don't want to.
Just don't lean on the cardboard.
Just drink it and do not sit it back in.
I need a pen.
Just remember in your brain.
Here's
I really need a pen too. So I just put one.
Oh, that was
Next.
nothing.
It's the. It's not.
What is this?
See how
They're
distinguishable
the
that
same
cardboard is.
as this.
I don't think you can write it.
It's okay.
3 and 5 are the ones I'm not sure about.
They're all pretty distinct flavors, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although Barb, I don't know if you have a good, submit your ballots over here.
Scott, you don't lean on them.
I know.
Do you need it closer to the edge?
You have your name on your ballot?
I just
Oh,
need this
no.
chair moved. That's-
That was a very Kate way of saying things.
Sorry.
Chair.
Oh, sorry,
No,
Reed.
you're fine.
Oh,
Stop.
Sienna, go.
Sienna, your turn.
Are
you doing it?
Jesus, my
I'm good just drinking my cold brew.
Do you know the flavors, guys, that you're
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
She knows what she's doing.
Man, I think they all taste like garbage.
No.
One of them wasn't bad actually.
Yes, the one was not bad.
Don't lean on the back.
I'm worried about Okay, there's Scott.
Okay, throw up your lemonade.
Scott's struggling.
It's hard to not.
You should have a sip of water in between.
It's fine, they're
Uh,
fine.
I can't do it.
Just finish it, then you can have your water. Here.
Yeah.
Here's your water.
Well, I bet you already got the worst one, so keep going.
Yeah,
I
I
can't do it.
Reed, I'll take your ballot. And you're
I need a pen.
Now you're being dramatic.
I'm not being dramatic.
You have one more, is all.
I'm scared. I'm gonna go get my water. You can't. You can't feel it. I can't get
See
my
you
water.
later.
Where's
Thank you.
Reed, you and Kale are the same, except you got one swap.
I can't.
Ooh.
Oh. Sky, you have to try your last one, so.
I can't do it though. I can't
Put
do
it down, dude.
See,
There.
if
There
you're smart, you realize you only have to taste
Yeah.
4 of them.
Wait,
Oh, you just said you.
There's
That's
a-
the whole point of it.
there's
You have
a
to
step
wait.
on
You
it.
don't know
Not
what
your
your
sister.
I think you should be.
I'm fine with it, but she knows that Sienna for it.
Bacon and
Where's your straws at?
I'm scared.
You guys need it closer to the edge.
Yeah.
I
Maybe
need
not
a
knocking the ball over.
Yeah.
Some stuff. Still working on it.
Watch out, Sky. Hold on.
Watching the ball game.
No, that's
Watching the ball.
Just go there. It's right on the crack, so just be careful.
Is
Can't really see
that
it. Number 4 was the one that.
You freaked out on the middle.
Dad, you do it?
Huh? Who's next? Mo?
I'm not doing it.
Lauren! Sissy.
You see your ballots, okay?
That wasn't actually that
Because I
bad.
changed
Go, Dad will
Here's the
help
thing.
Hey,
you. Sienna, watch out for
Butter,
some
Yes,
keep
it's
going.
fine.
dirt, and bacon.
Sienna, scoot down so Sloan can keep going.
Scared. Can I go to the bathroom?
explain that. Steinfruit dog.
Jump in there and do them.
You don't
I'm
wanna
good.
do-
Okay.
capitalize the dirt.
We have to, Sloan's in the middle one, we have to not lose her spot.
Whose is this?
Sloan's,
Sky, where's your pen? Give it
Where'd
to
Sloan go?
to the bathroom.
Come on,
You?
Mom.
You scared your
Absolutely
mother?
not.
Does
Come
it
on, Mom.
spark?
Amanda?
Oh.
Stan, if you spell it wrong, it doesn't count.
Ooh,
Not
shoot.
true.
It doesn't?
You're good.
Yeah,
Sia.
they all match.
Nope, if you
I
spell
didn't
it wrong,
even
you
try
have to
I
chunk
did
the
it
entire
already.
dirt.
I reacted
Bar.
the same way you did to the third one.
Yeah, the third one's probably the worst.
Doesn't mean they know the answer.
What?
Not
So
according to
does
your
it mean
ballot.
that they know the answer?
Let's go,
You
Sloan.
almost gotta
Sky,
do a few of them.
you got one called Bart Simpson, Sky.
I think Mike can do it. They're not gagging or anything.
Can I get-
He almost gagged Washington.
Just watch them.
Katie, you're doing it, aren't you?
I'm on 75 party.
Can I
can't
get
have
a drink?
Coke.
Yeah.
Good news, there's no Coke in it.
Oh, so yeah, soda.
Can I get a drink?
Yeah.
Let's say about
Yeah.
barf.
What's this one?
Definitely can't eat bar.
Bacon?
No, I
You
missed
should know
one.
them all.
Too many
Did
calories.
Dad put it in here?
Alright, see, I need your ballot.
Yeah. Between the dad.
First, let me see, are you done?
How are you not?
Is it legible?
Sloan,
Because I'm
Sloan.
super tough.
Let's go.
I think you're drinking all that barf. Seriously, you're
Stop saying that.
I'm so sorry.
He says that wasn't bad. That's the one everybody else is gagging on.
Somehow there's two, still not two similar ballots.
Oh, they want
Are you doing it? Justin? Huh?
You're gonna
All
barf.
right, where'd you lead off?
You're gonna hurt 'em.
The last one was kind of good.
Last one's.
If you win it all, it's worth it. Glory.
I can't believe he's still sucking on them.
What do you mean?
I thought he went through them all.
Beat me to it.
Where's my?
Did you even get a drink of
Should've
that,
said
Sloan?
louder when
Give
I
her
told
the-
you.
Can I get this?
Sloan, get your drink.
Did you even take a drink of that, Sloan?
What?
Did you even try that?
I had it on.
Okay, I'm trying.
You said that was the
I
word.
did. The slow motion makes it even better too.
Just on elimination, that's gotta be.
Jess is doing it?
Let me see how many.
Yes, that's what you should do.
Like the neck and the face.
There's water right here.
Ain't none of them that are stupid.
Ain't none of them that are stupid.
See what we got. See if yours is.
Same as anybody's?
You and Sienna. Those are the only similar ballots.
Slow motion of this one.
After it gets in there and sets, it's worse.
Everybody's backwash.
Well, you can see the neck fucked up.
Sloan's drinking everybody's spit right now.
What are the options?
Well,
Well, the last one.
you only got one left, so it's gotta be what it is.
Yes.
That was the demure.
See?
What's the other one?
Alright, son.
You're laughing at me.
What's it gotta be?
Funny thing is, we made them all barf for you.
Yes.
You
So-
think so? I was like thinking for a
You're
second,
gonna
Jess can do it,
get
I can do
years.
it, but then no.
Jump,
Watching her, I'm
jump
like,
over there, Mo.
absolutely
It'll be fun.
This is the third.
Get in there, Mo.
Sienna says this one isn't that bad. Sienna says that one's kind of good.
Jump in there, Mo. You can do them.
I screwed it up then. I screwed it up.
Al, get in there. Get in there, Diane. You do it yet? Do it.
Oh man, I don't want to do this.
When she
Come
said
on.
ranch, I could.
He said.
I don't think I can do any of these.
You can do it?
Oh,
She really makes me want
why do you
to.
go back?
She keeps going back and getting more.
Let it flow. Let it flow. You'll feel better.
It'll be like the Goonies. When one goes, they're all gonna go.
Are you done? Eat your pen.
Huh? You got 5 of them?
That's off
The
there.
first one's easy.
Kale was the only, or no, who was the only one that put their name on?
I put Dad.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
yeah. I didn't put mine.
Hey.
Bob wins for that.
Ah.
Here, put this back.
I told you guys to put your name on
Mommy,
it. Yeah.
now it'll make you feel better, and make me feel better.
You just-
Go eat M&M's.
Pretty little
Where'd
cheese
Kale
over
go
here.
with this
Yeah,
one?
that's a good idea, Sky.
Where'd Kale go with the slow mo?
Yeah, that is. Oh, that was what he's wiping out. Make sure it gets in your defense.
Okay, all I've got left is $8. That's what the winner gets.
I missed this.
So we should have Jesse for just one more.
That's what, yeah.
You're right there, Jesse.
That was that.
You writing them down?
I'm tasting them all first.
Turn the big tables. It's fun.
You're gonna remember that.
Look at Jesse's face. She's still on it.
Should just gag watch now and do that one.
Last one.
Why do Mom, why do you gag watching them? Because they should be gagging if they
Did you didn't watch Mom do it.
Brenda's next.
Did you?
No,
Yes,
no, Renda's not
Tyler,
doing it.
you're not gonna
Grandma's gotta do
I
it.
know the answer.
No.
Both of you.
I can win if you want.
Oh yeah.
I just want Daddy to try it.
Kate,
I
you can make an
I know
Mommy,
how many
things.
Can you turn on the game?
It's on.
It's on pause, honey. We'll play it in just a second.
So the one you almost gagged
Will
over,
it start up from the beginning?
you ended up putting bacon?
Yeah.
Okay.
We still have one.
Oh, sorry.
Get up there, Mike. Ashley, you're asking, get up there. Yeah, you're the
Surprised me, there's
newest.
only like
You're the newest.
You're the newest.
Ashley, you gonna do it? Yeah. I don't know how much of a flavor.
the consensus on
That
that.
one's easy.
There
That
is
one's
no
easy.
consensus.
I mean, we already tell you got bad taste. Oh, jeez.
Seriously. I don't think anybody's the same as you, Shannon.
Have you been through, Tails has been through, Mike and Ashley, and Grandma's, and Katie and Mom.
I put the Coke.
Huh? You're out of the family.
I know exactly which ones are what.
No, you don't.
It
No,
makes it
yeah, I
up.
don't think you do either.
Uh-uh.
Yep.
They didn't make
I moved them.
You didn't.
Yes, I did when I opened them.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
That's
I
Okay,
did. It's
fine.
just my mom jumped them. Yeah, I did that like the shell game.
It's not exciting.
Yep,
That's
yep.
a good
Yeah, we're ready.
Alright, that's good. Good girl. Good girl. Mikey!
Oh no, yes. I need my phone for this one. Sorry, I keep
Go ahead.
looking in front of
Yeah,
you.
he wins right away. I want to see you.
Clear the area.
Yeah, I would
Let me
not.
go first. Okay, so
Let me get out of the way. sister.
First one, right?
Get in there, Diane. Get a straw. Brenda,
Our cute bowl handy.
I brought cups out right
You
here.
can just
No,
puke into the
that's
one
not
that you think's the
good
puke
Everybody
soda.
got the
If
first
you
one.
get a few onions, look away.
Well, somebody's got to clean it up.
Mommy, Daddy's
Where you going, Santa?
Come sit with me.
Get any gags out of her or any faces?
Not yet.
Jess has definitely been the best.
Yeah, Justin.
Yeah.
Was it that bad?
You, every single one you did
I'm
this
scared
time,
for.
except for the last one.
face.
Put back horse on that number 3 bottle. Everybody leaving their strong food blowing it.
I'm pretty confident with these.
These aren't that bad.
These aren't that bad.
Well, there's $8 in it.
I think the last one didn't really have a flavor.
No, the last one was alright.
Last one was like,
I didn't think it tasted like what I put, but I didn't think anything else did, so.
Oh, did you do the third one, Mike?
I don't know about taking them home.
Why would I do the third one? Everybody's gagging on the third one.
Do the
I'm
third
just
one
not do
instead.
it.
Ashley didn't, and Allison was pretty cool too.
Yeah, that 3 wasn't bad.
Honestly,
Amazing how
honestly
mixed
better
up they are.
on that than I expected. I saw kids.
You think there'd be so many the
What, are
same?
you gonna leave
Just
3
so it
for
wasn't-
the final and then
You're also
the
the
process of elimination?
Yep.
Actually, you had dirt in a place that no one else had.
Oh, really?
Oh, she said they were so easy.
Well, she could be the only one that got it right.
excuse me.
I really wish I would have wrote down what the correct order was. Could have had them all graded by now.
No, it makes it more fun.
That doesn't right. taste like any of the options. That's why we watch.
Yeah, that one
and then we
stumped
see
me.
who's the
I know.
best taste. I do. I know.
That's why I did it,
Style,
but the way I did it, because I
Well,
knew
going
it was
through, I
tricky.
felt like I was pretty confident in most of them.
I should have tried ranch. I should tried ranch before.
You gotta try the third one,
You're
Mike.
good third one.
No,
You didn't do the
skipped it.
third
He
one.
skipped it, trying to do
Smart
it
man
right.
knows you only gotta taste 4 out of 5.
Try it out.
Yeah,
But I don't.
you gotta do the third one.
It's $8
Yeah,
when it's better taste.
Yeah.
2 cans right there.
Correctly.
Is Mike the last one?
Yeah.
You gotta do
Amanda,
Taste the third one.
Third one.
he likes that one. He's
No,
dipped in it
you
about 4 or
don't,
5
it doesn't have
times.
a taste, you're trying to
Yeah.
differentiate.
Well,
You're
you
not gonna
gotta-
figure it out.
That's
That
why
would
you
be
gotta
good.
do 3 to make the process of elimination on it. There you go.
Didn't even gag.
Yeah, that was a letdown.
Yeah.
I stood here filming for that.
You didn't give the people what they wanted, Mike.
Alright, grand reveal.
I don't think they're gonna come off the top.
Yeah. Good idea. I'm gonna do this.
Ooh,
They changed the plans here.
Yeah.
First answer is always the best.
Yep. Go with that first one.
Oh, Daddy. Daddy.
I'm not, I'm grading.
What?
You know which is which?
Nope.